umabot.
How you doing, folks? This is video number 2 on how to make warm beds out of recycled materials, particularly window blinds. So hope you like it. I know a big chunk of the video is missing, especially the part where I welded the pieces together. But still, you have the idea and the structure of the warm bed. That's why I thought of uploading it still. So I hope you enjoy it. So there you have it, folks. Warm bed number 2. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please like, post your comment down below, and please subscribe. Here's the finished product. It's always better the second time around, I tell you. There's the first one right there. So thank you very much for watching, guys.